Sounds like Penn's getting pumped up over there. I got a whole team from Philly Flying Phoenix of Laughing Ladies. I don't know who can beat them today, but they're holding ground on the first heat. Race number 10. You should start gathering your groups. We've got lane number 1, which is going to be UMUC, Virtual Dragons. Get your paddlers together. DC Dragons, Kula. Come correct me on that one. You're going to be in lane number 2. And rounding out race number 10 for the first heat will be the Baltimore Dragon Boat Club Paddling Fire. Start getting your teams together. We'll start calling you to marshalling in just a few minutes.
race the whole day. So they don't want people protesting for frivolous reasons. If the wind picks up today, last year it picked up, so if the wind picks up today like it did last year, they may lighten the boats. They could take heads and tails off the boats. They could reduce the team down to 16 and take a drummer off if it got really bad. Okay, now it's not likely to happen, but
is that why? Is it just like it's heading from direction?
when you get in, you can put a foot on the seat if it's seat 3, 5, or 7. Don't put a foot on any of the other. Are you ready?
Are we ready? Are we ready? Yeah, we are.
Are you ready?
You in the great state of Ohio, here in Washington, D.C. on this beautiful sunny day with all these dragon boat paddlers. We will bring home victory for you.
Yay! I can do yay.
All right, this is our third race of the day. We are pumped up, we are psyched, we are ready to win. We are only 3/100ths of a second behind the team in front of us. So we got to beat them this time, and we will.
picture. It was real close.
Good job, lady.
I'm gonna move this chair back. I'm gonna go get ready to give water to Mom.
Hey, Kevin, winner's face, winner's face. I want to see winner's face.
Yeah.
Say something, say something.
Well, that was a fantastic race.
Okay,
We pulled it all together. That was a fantastic race. We had a good start and a strong finish.
Oh, JoJo! Oh, it was close. It's close, but we pulled out victory today. That's what I'm saying.
Hey, this has been a fantastic race for us here at National Harbor. We've been warming up for this all season. We practiced back on the Ohio River and the Muskingum River, which gives us some pretty good current and prepares us for this festival. This has been a good festival because there are teams here that are a little bit better than us, and there are teams here that if we perform well, we should be able to beat. So it's a really good challenge. To get ready for this, we have been practicing 3 times a week. We practice on Monday, Thursday nights, and Saturday mornings. And we do a lot of 500-meter races, and we do pyramid drills, lots of starts. Getting everybody in sync is one of the keys, and having a really fast start. One of the things we changed this year is that we have a new finish, and our finish, we now speed up the stroke rate quite a bit, and that has worked very well at the festival here today. So we were able to hold off one of our challengers during one of the races with that finish, and then in this last race, we were able to stay ahead of them and win that race. So we have our best race for the day was the 3rd race. We had a very good start, pretty good in the middle, and then a really strong finish. There was some lane confusion out there today. We had another boat coming over into our lane during this last race, and so we had to move over. Sometimes that happens in racing, and you just never know. You got to go with it. The team did a great job staying focused. They did a good job of kind of ignoring the other distractions, because there's a lot of distractions. There's a lot of people screaming and yelling and drumming, and so our team did a good job of really listening and staying focused and staying in sync, which is a huge part of winning a dragon boat race. Let me bring in a couple other team members and have them talk about the day as well. So, Sue Boyer, come on in. Tina Adams, come on in.
No problem. Hi.
So what's festival been like for you?
It's been hard work. I don't work anywhere as hard as I do when I'm in the dragon boat, and it makes me feel strong, makes me feel healthy. It's been a really good day. Winning our last race was just fantastic. I'd love to win. Really competitive, always have been. How about you, Tina?
Well, it's good. We practice and practice and practice. And then you wonder why the coach, 3 days a week after you've got a long day at work, and this is what it's all worth. Yeah. The endurance and finishing strong at the end after a long day. It was a good race. Good race.
It was a great race. We had a wonderful time. I love it. That's it.
you have my phone?
So is Drag.
It felt like we needed to go with that piece.
Great job, ladies! Great job! I want that hat. That's the hat that I want. Ta-da! Oh my God!
Moving dragons with a time of 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Lane number 3.
Gotcha. So it'll slow down now that we fuck.
Bump it, with bump and stuff like that, and followed by black 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, then the horn blows. First boat.
So they're going to be the first boat? Well. Right. Well, hold it. Back up. No, let's go. They're all ready. Right, they said you had full stop and yeah, right. Yeah, right. Well,